Hey everyone, today I'm at Pomfret, Connecticut for the NEMBA Quiet Corner Pomfret Forest Fun Ride. This is part of the NEMBA Adventures series. This is primarily a self-guided tour, but there are some group rides available based on your skill level. It's my first time here, and from what I can see on Trailforks, it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. In this video, I'm going to be narrating post-production. It's going to be different than my usual content. Today there are a lot of mountain bike enthusiasts here. I think a total of 132 that signed up for this event. I was able to say hi to a few people I recognized. At this event, Dynamic Cycling Adventure hosted a free jump clinic, which I eagerly signed up for. Unfortunately, by the time I hit the trails, they gave me 1 hour before I had to head back. So as a result, I didn't really cover much ground in this video and likely missed a lot of amazing features that this forest had to offer. I want to give a big shout out to the volunteers for making this event possible. A lot of hard work goes into organizing something like this, so thank you. It's amazing to see so many mountain bikers out on force hitting the trails.
All right. Roller, A-line, B-line. All right, cool. This looks like it's going to be fun. Oh, nice. That was fun.
In this video, I'm exploring the trails at random by following the arrow markers. NEMBA did provide some maps with scannable QR codes. Unfortunately, I did not have a subscription to Trailforks. I used Strava to keep track of all my riding activities. I most likely missed a lot of main attractions, like the rock roller that I've seen someone post after the event.
Got to start practicing my skinnies. Yeah, I've been doing mostly roll this year, so.
Well, you have the fitness then.
Yeah. It's just,
So I should have gone back and redid that skinny, but I was pressed for time and wanted to cover as much trail as I could in this video.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's not happening. That's a good drop. Nice.
This forest in Connecticut offers a variety of mountain biking trails that cater to many skill levels. The trails here are well maintained and marked.
Drop. Nope, roller. Nice. All right, quick climb here. A lot of cool rock features around here.
So in this video, like I said before, I didn't cover much ground. I think I covered roughly 6 miles. There was a total of 400 feet of elevation gain.
I'll have to bring my bike to the shop because it's not behaving so well.
So my riding wasn't my best this day. I had a lot of trouble with my bike. I recently replaced the chain, which was like long overdue. Whenever I applied any power, the gears either like skipped or shift on their own. I need to get some maintenance done so I can get this working properly next time.
Finally getting some flow around here.
I love the number of features that this trail system has. It seems like every corner there's something to jump, roll, or climb. On top of that, there's a vast amount of skinnies to test your skills. You can tell there was a lot of planning and effort to put this place together. You know, the one thing I noticed about this trail system here is that it's really well kept.
That was cool. Okay, here we go. Jesus.
I don't know if you can hear my bike randomly shifting, but it was driving me crazy that day.
Man, chain keeps popping off. Nice. Woo. Little jump. Onto a bridge.
If you're considering mountain biking, I would suggest you join New England Mountain Bike Association. NEMBA is a great resource for anyone interested in mountain biking in New England. It offers a strong, vibrant community with numerous opportunities to get involved, such as trail building, skill development, and it allows you to connect with other local riders. Your support will help ensure trails like these exist here in the Northeast.
Ooh, some good tech. Yes. Nice. Wet. Oh shit, this way. Nice. Oh shit. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh my god, that was close. That was cool.
So I watched a recent video from another YouTuber, and I think this is the location of that roller I mentioned before. Let me know if I was close.
Oh, it's kind of cool along this ridge line. Wow. This is mostly technical climb, I guess. No, come on. Damn it. Oh, man. Be cool to go far. Be cool to go down the opposite way. Bike's too heavy for some of these technical climbs.
As I started to head back, I came across this small and playful feature park. There I had a chance to ride the triple teeter. There are some cool elevated bridges and several ramps to test your jumping skills. This area was a lot of fun.
Right.
Cool. That was nice. This looks fun. Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
All right, guys, it's time to head back. At the main parking lot, I met up with Glenn from Dynamic Cycling Adventure. I received some valuable tips on my jumping skills, which are lagging. Glenn is an excellent instructor. He taught me several techniques that significantly improved my jumping skills. After the jumping session, I grabbed a bite to eat from Nest's food trucks. I had a burger and fries, and let me tell you, it was delicious. There were other vendors on site, such as Fully Stoke Coffee. A portion of their proceeds went to support the local chapter of NEMBA there. When I signed up for this event, I ordered a t-shirt online. I finally got it, and it fits and feels amazing. All right, that was an eventful and fun day. I had a lot of fun. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.